What is the difference between I like you and I love you? Beautifully answered by Buddha. When you like a flower, you just pluck it. But when you love a flower, you water it daily. One who understands this understands life. Relationship never dies a natural death. They are murdered by ego, attitude, and ignorance. Love lasts when the relationship comes first. Love is nothing without action. Trust is nothing without proof. And sorry is nothing without change. In the end, only three things matter: how much you loved, how gently you lived, and how gracefully you let go of things not meant for you. Time decides who you meet in your life. Your heart decides who you want in your life, and your behavior decides who stays in your life. Don't allow someone to treat you poorly just because you love them. A true relationship is when you can tell each other anything and everything, no secrets, no lies. A family is a place where minds come in contact with one another. Sensitive people suffer more, but they love more and dream more. Love the whole world as a mother loves her only child. Health is the greatest gift, contentment the greatest wealth, faithfulness the best relationship. What we are today comes from our thoughts of yesterday, and our present thoughts build our life of tomorrow. Our life is the creation of our mind. As the rain falls equally on the just and the unjust, do not burden your heart with judgments, but rain your kindness equally on all. Without respect, love is lost. Without caring, love is boring. Without honesty, love is unhappy. Without trust, love is unstable. The greatest gift you can give someone are your time, your love, and your attention. Relationships are not exams to pass or fail, and not a competition to win or lose. It's a feeling in which you care for someone more than yourselves. There are four very important words in life: love, honesty, trust, and respect. Without this in your life, you have nothing. Once you feel you are avoided by someone, never disturb them again. Never leave a true relationship for few faults. Nobody is perfect, nobody is correct at the end. Affection is always greater than perfection. He who doesn't understand your silence will probably not understand your words. Without communication, there is no relationship. Without respect, there is no love. Without trust, there is no reason to continue.